You know, we would sometimes take my grandmother downtown. We would always take her, you know, every other Sunday we would take her out for dinner someplace. And sometimes we would, she lived in Upper Manhattan, but sometimes we would go downtown, we'd go to the dairy restaurants or the Romanian restaurants down there. And there was still, even, you know, in the late 50s and early 60s, there still was like a pretty strong remnant of Jewish life in the Lower East Side. I mean, you know, lots of signs in Yiddish and these places. And so I always enjoyed that. I mean, even when my dad, when we first bought a TV set, we went down to Delancey Street or Orchard Street to buy the TV. I mean, so there was, I was aware of this other world, you know, this old world